Hello, back the Norwex lady here. Today we're gonna do a deeper dive into the multi-purpose everyday cleaner. So this is a somewhat newer product for us, and I know there has been a lot of confusion about it, how it works, what we do with it. So first of all, I'm gonna tell you, I gave this a nickname and I'm calling this Norwex training wheels. So if we start talking a little bit about the Norwex microfiber cloths, we know that we've been telling you for years that you just get this wet with just water, wring it out, and you can clean your whole house with this. And it's gonna pick up 99% of your surface bacteria. It does not transfer bacteria from surface to surface, and then the cloth self-purifies itself, right? Yes, of course, we love that. So then why do we need a multi-purpose everyday cleaner? Well, for two reasons. One, there are definitely people that I run into that cannot imagine using this cloth to clean raw chicken or cleaning around their toilet or all the gross places, wringing out and then reusing it on different surfaces. Their brains cannot and that's fine. I understand. It's kind of a crazy concept, but it truly does work. So this product is definitely for you. It is a concentrate, so you need to mix it with water. So I do recommend getting the set, and this concentrated bottle will make 2 of our glass spray bottles, okay? So you would then go ahead and spray all your surfaces that you wanna clean. I would let them sit for, I don't know, 30 seconds or so, and then you can wipe it up with one of your Norwex cloths. So what this enzyme cleaner will do, it will break down, it will attach itself to the dirts and the soils, and the enzymes will break it down. So it will loosen that dirt and help clean a little bit better. But now, of course, if you're not leaving it on the surface long enough, it's not gonna have a chance to do that because the microfiber cloth will pick it up. So if you're trying to hit a certain area, you're gonna wanna let it sit on that surface a little bit more. Okay, so training wheels, right? Sometimes at my Norwex parties, I have women say, oh, my husband will never buy into that. He needs to spray something. Well, here you go. Here's the spray that he can spray or you can spray with using your microfiber cloth. So again, training wheels for Norwex. But there is also a really cool hidden extra little feature with the multi-purpose everyday cleaner. It is meant to get into the nooks and crannies that you can't clean with your microfiber cloth and let the enzymes break down the dirts and the soils. And because it is a probiotic and an enzyme, it is going to continue to work throughout a couple of days. And that's awesome. So think about in your grout or the little cracks in your countertop or around your toilet or, whatever. I think this is a very, very great product. I think this is going to be our second most important product in the catalog besides our microfiber cloths is the everyday multi-purpose cleaner. I think every household should have it, and I highly encourage you to give it a shot. So if you have any other questions about this product, you know how to reach me. We'll talk to you later. Bye.